This is my bike check. It's my Fit Trail 3. Has the stock bars with the stock ports and front rim, black sheet, the Fit FAF tire, 2.25, the Aaron Ross keyboard grips with the Odyssey monolever, Odyssey linear cable, the S&M Redneck stem with impact headset, Redline device crank with Shadow crank and lens chain wheel with S&M 101 pedals, with Shadow Conspiracy, I think it's Penumbra seat with Shadow pivotal pole, stock Tektro brakes with a KMC chain and a premium back rim with the black sheep outer rim, and I have no idea, I think it's a Haro hub. It sounds decent. It's pretty loud, but it's okay. And that's my bike.